underground. When the state of emergency ended, Nielsen was released after 5 months in prison. Soon there were two happy events to celebrate. The birth on December 23rd, 1960, of a second daughter, Cindy, meaning you are well established and successful, end of the treason trial in March 1961. After 4 years in court, all the accused were found not guilty. There was a great celebration all over the South Africa, but not by the government. They had lost in trial and a lot of faith. They decided to turn the screw even tighter. And Nielsen immediately left his family and went underground, traveling around the country to keep encouraged ANC members to keep fighting. He used another name, David Montgomery, and often traveled in queues, so he was called the Black Templar Hill.